Rigorous cleaning is necessary for pharmaceutical manufacturers to combat equipment contamination. Cleaning validation evaluates the effectiveness of these cleaning protocols, and typically uses swabs or rinses to sample equipment surfaces. High-performance ion mobility spectrometry, HPIMS, is an inherently fast, high-resolution analytical technique offering high sensitivity for common contaminants such as active pharmaceutical ingredients, detergents, and excipients, making it ideal for cleaning validation. Download this white paper from Excellums to find out how HPIMS helps pharmaceutical manufacturers meet cleaning validation needs. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.